In this guide, I'm going to show you how to upload a short video on YouTube. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, make sure that you are signed into the channel that you want to upload from, and you need to tap the plus button down in the bottom center of the YouTube app. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Hit short if you want to create a short, and then of course you'll have the opportunity to record one here, or you can also hit add and you can upload one that you've already recorded, for example. Like, let's go ahead and say we want to do this super old video right here from like 4 years ago, right? Go ahead and select next on it, just like so. And once you do that, it's going to give you the opportunity to edit it. Just keep in mind, it does have to be a certain length. It can't go over a certain amount of length. So adjust this however you want, hit done, it's going to process for a second, and then it'll give you the opportunity to upload it. In this case, we're actually not going to upload this, so I'm going to swipe out of this app real quick. But you'll be prompted to add a title, you'll be prompted to add text, sounds, voiceovers, or other edits if you want. It really is completely up to you. Whenever you're done though, just go ahead and upload it, and then you can change the visibility, audience setting, location comments, remix settings, stuff like that, and hit upload short. That's the full process though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.